a great choice today with the 2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, security system, electronic stability control, compass, fog lights, heated front seats, rear window defroster, power windows, remote keyless entry, 8-way power driver seat, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.